Hi everybody, I'm Tom Elliott with John Deere, and today we'll show you how to move a big pile of brush in the back of the property utilizing a Frontier root grapple.
For this project, we're using a John Deere 5115M utility tractor. It packs 115 engine horsepower and includes the standard 16 forward, 16 reverse power reverser transmission. We've also added an H260 loader with a lift capacity of over 3,500 pounds to operate our Frontier AV20G root grapple. And we've added a Frontier 9-foot hydraulic rear blade for ballast to make sure our tractor package is properly balanced.
Before we get started, let's go take a look at this big pile of brush and see what we're up against.
This pile of brush has been built up over time, and now we need to move it into an area with other debris where we can dispose of it properly. When using a root grapple, the key is to make sure you drive the grapple well below the bottom of the pile, even slightly penetrating the soil underneath and driving it hard into the pile. Then use a clamp arm to clamp down hard onto the top of the pile. Remember, it's debris. You can't hurt it. We've combined a few piles of debris that were spotted around these tree lines into one big pile. After we're finished, we'll dispose of it all in a way that's consistent with local practice and regulations. Frontier has over 600 implements that are available only from your John Deere dealer, the place to go for advice and equipment. So remember, for implements that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it was built to be, think Frontier and your John Deere dealer.